You know, people really, really, really suck, I have to tell you. Um, I've been a full-time nomad now for 3.5 years, and we get a bad rap a lot of the times that we're dirty and we're this and we're that and we're disgusting and we pollute. Well, let me tell you folks something. It's average, everyday citizens that are the problem. Obviously, if you haven't figured it out already, what you're looking at is a big, giant, heaping turd that some moron left on the ground in a commuter parking lot that I stay at here. Let me get a better angle so I can show you guys. So I stay in this lot here a lot of the times, and you can see it's filthy. There's trash all over, on the ground. In the back, it's disgusting. You could see all that trash back there on the side. Let me show you guys this way. We got a tire. That corner is absolutely disgusting. And again, let me stress, folks, these are commuters. This is a commuter parking lot that I'm in right now. These are commuters that are leaving the lot in this condition. I mean, come on. And again, a lot of the times us nomads, we're the ones, we get a bad rap. And I can't speak for other nomads, but the majority that I've met are very clean, very tidy, they do the right thing. And then this happens. I dispose of my number one waste properly, normally in a sewer, or I'll put it in a grassy area where people don't, walk a lot or something. And, I'm trying to do the right thing as I think most nomads are. And this is fucking disgusting. I'm sorry. But yeah, let me cut to the other footage. Same place. It's going to be that corner right there that I took a video yesterday. And it's really, really sad, guys. Really, really sad what you're going to see. Because again, this is fucking filthy in here. Excuse my French, but it really makes me angry when, I'm trying to do the right thing, and other nomads are trying to do the right thing, and we try and be clean, and we try and put a good face on this, lifestyle. And, just regular, everyday working people that are out there using this lot going to and from work, they're pigs, they're slobs. So yeah, let me cut to the other footage, guys. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, it's me. Later, buddy.